Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. This is Mohammad Badrudduja, and now we are going to start installing Windows Server 2022. So in the previous video, I already installed these two Windows 10 machine, and today we are going to install Windows Server 2022. So just go to the file and go to the new virtual machine and typical. Okay, I will attach the ISO image later, so I will install the operating system later here. Next, and Windows Server 2022, and just go to next. And here you can change the name of the machine for your easiness to identify it here. Okay, and where I want to put that machine, virtual files. So all the virtual machines are file. So whenever you save that virtual machine somewhere, basically you are saving its files. So I have here in the in the E, I already created a folder named as DC01, and fine, just next. And 60 GB is enough. If you have more resources, then you can go with 80 GB, otherwise 60 GB is enough. So I'm just going to make it 80 GB, and make sure you choose split virtual disk into multiple files. Otherwise, if you store all the virtual disk as a single file, it will be more heavier. So split the virtual disk into multiple files will be the better option for that. Okay, it's also mentioning here, splitting the disk makes it easier to move the virtual machine to another computer, but may reduce performance with very large disk. Okay, so this is the only thing. Now let's move to the next step, and here we have set up all the configuration. You can customize the settings from here. Customize hardware. Memory, let's choose here 8 GB. So if you are installing Windows Server 2022, make sure both of these machines of Windows 10 are shut down. Okay, so that resources are free and you can speed up the process. Processor, same as before. I'm gonna make it total processor score 4. Okay, as earlier, we are going to use NAT networking and just attach the CD DVD image. So click on use ISO image file, and here this is the image what I downloaded. So you can also browse and choose the location wherever you save that file. Fine. So that's it. One more important thing, as I mentioned in the previous video, if you find here floppy disk, if you are using the previous versions of VMware Workstation, you may find here floppy disk. So if you find the floppy disk, just remove it. So just close it and finish it. Check everything here. 8 GB of RAM, processor, cores are 4, disk 80 GB, CD DVD. I already attached the ISO image. Networking, we are using NAT. So everything is fine. Let's just go and power on the machine. Click OK, and just click on this black screen and then press any key. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So let it work. Till then, we can do one more thing. So in this video, we are going to basically install Microsoft Server, Windows Server 2022, and Kali Linux only. And in the next video, we will start configuring things like installing services like Active Directory domain services, certificate services, creating users, groups, and joining domain. So here, English, United States, install now. Okay, so here we are going to choose a standard evaluation version with desktop experience. If you choose the first one, it will be installed with CLI only. So if you need GUI or graphical user interface, make sure you choose the standard evaluation version with desktop experience. Okay, go to next. And I accept the terms and conditions. Fine. Okay. Just go to next. It will automatically assign the whole space to C drive. Means the operating system drive. Fine. Okay. Till this one finish, we are going to extract the Kali Linux what we downloaded. So this is the file what we downloaded from the Kali website, Kali Linux 2026.2, and this is basically VMware ready machine, and it is compressed. So we just need to extract it. So just right click and extract all, and you need to choose where you want to extract it. Okay, I already extracted that. So if you want to extract here, just this is the process, just click extract and it will start extracting. You can see this is the folder it created, and inside these are the files. So after complete extraction, you will find here many files. Okay, for now I'm going to cancel it because I already did it, so no need for it to be completed. Okay, and fine. So I already extract that here in my F drive, and this is the folder where we have all the files for Kali Linux. Okay, so you can see here, this is the file that has the extension VMX. This is the VMware virtual machine configuration file, and rest of these are the disk files. Okay, so once you choose a split disk image, this will happen because it will just split all the files in different file names. Okay, otherwise if you choose to just make it in one file, so it will just create one hard disk file, and that is going to be heavier. Fine. To basically start the Kali Linux, you need to double click on this VMX file. Okay, so if you just double click that, you will find here Kali Linux 2026.2. Okay, I'm going to rename it so that I can easily identify that. Kali 2026, like that. Okay, now everything is fine. You just need to start this machine. So before starting this machine, I again going to just make a little bit changes here. So I'm gonna make it 4 GB of RAM, enough for it. 4 processors are there. You can also use 2 processor cores. Okay, 80 GB is fine. NAT, we are going to use NAT. That's perfectly fine. So everything is already cooked up here. We just need to extract it and bring it here. Another way you can do it by saying open, and you can go to the Kali Linux 2026 where you extract all the files and just open up this file. Okay, the same process. Fine. So let's go back to the domain controller. Still getting ready. It's already finished the installation. Now little configuration is left. So once it will get ready, we will go for it. Okay, so it's restarting. Fine. So again, it is asking the local administrator password. Okay, so whenever you install any Windows machine like Windows Server 2022 or Windows 10, so basically the first user it will ask you to create is going to be the local user. Fine. So I'm just going to give it a password, PASSWORD, sorry, capital PASSWORD 1 at the rate, like this. Okay, capital PASSWORD 1 at the rate. I know this is the weak password, not recommended at all, but this is just the development lab, and we are going to make things a little bit easier for us in terms of hash cracking or password cracking. Okay, so that's why just give this password or any easy password that will be easy for you to crack later on. That's it. I'm gonna finish it. Fine, and the server is installed. Now you just need to go to this icon which is Control Alt Del, or you can go to the VM and click on Send Control Alt Del. In both ways, you can press these combination of buttons by this or by going to VM icon and then choose Send Control Alt Del. Fine. Okay, so the password for administrator is capital PASSWORD 1 @ enter, and we are successfully log in. Yes, applying user setting. Again, after the fresh installation, the most important part is installing the VMware tools. Okay, because you can see up to now it does not cover the complete monitor or the complete screen. So for that purpose, just go to the VM and choose this option, install VMware tools. Okay, this is server manager. For now, I don't need that. Go to the files. The disk is attached and just open it. Next, next, and install. The same process as we did in the previous video. And that's good. Now you can see everything is fine. The mouse cursor is good and it's asking for restart. So just restart. Fine. So till it's restarting, we can do a few more things like what? Let's go to the Kali Linux. Okay. So if you already installed this domain controller server, okay, Windows Server 2022, after restart, just shut it down so that you have resources for booting the Kali Linux. Okay. So just click on it. We already extracted and attached VMX file here and the Kali Linux appeared here. Now we just need to power on. We already tuned the resources. Now just power it on. So let's see. Okay. And it's gonna start. So in the process of starting up the Kali Linux, it's not a rocket science and there is no difficulty. You just need to extract the file what you downloaded and you just need to attach that VMX file into your VMware Workstation, and that's it. Just tune the resources according to what you have and then we are good to go. Now you can see we are here and the mouse cursor is still not appearing here. But let's see, the default username password is Kali Kali is the username and Kali is the password. Now the thing is we cannot see the mouse cursor. You can see in the top left corner I am scrolling the mouse. Okay, it's showing in the taskbar but it does not appear here. So for this I need to fix that. But before this, just go to open the terminal, and within the terminal we need to change the password so that we can access the root user. Fine. So here we need to write sudo passwd root. Okay, it's asking for the password of Kali user. So Kali password is Kali. Now it's asking for the new password. So whatever password you want to give, you can give it here and then try again. So I'm gonna write down the same password again and you can see the password is updated successfully. If I want to switch to root user, like sudo su dash within the root. Okay, so I'm gonna exit it and let's go back to the Windows server and let's see if everything is fine or not. So just click that button and log in one more time. PASSWORD 1 @ fine. So the server installation is successful. We will start installing the services, configuring the services and users group permission in the next video. For now, I'm just going to close it and going to shut it down so that I can reserve my resources. Fine. For the Kali Linux. Okay, so for fixing this issue of mouse cursor, what we can do is I'm just going to shut down the machine. Okay, so you can do it on, because mouse cursor is not appearing. So you can do it in two ways. If you have idea, you can see it's when I hover the cursor on any button, it's highlight the button. So you can do it by this way, or you can do it by saying here shut down guest. Okay, so it will also shut down the machine completely. Now to fix the cursor issue, just upgrade this machine. Maybe this is the cause. So here, if you scroll it down, you will find here workstation 17.5 or later. You can choose this one or you can choose this one. I will go with the latest one and make it next. And here it will give you two options. The first option is create a new clone of this virtual machine. That means you will have another new virtual machine, okay, which is the clone of this existing Kali Linux, and you want to alter this machine, this existing machine. So I just want to alter this existing machine. I don't want to clone this machine. Okay, next, and apply changes, and that's it. It's reconfigure virtual hardware. Okay, consolidating disk and done. So finish it and let's just start this machine one more time. Fine, and you can see now the cursor appears here. I can, because we already changed the root password, and I will try to log in with the root. Okay, and you can see now the mouse cursor appears and everything is fine. We have Kali Linux successfully attached in the VMware and it is started successfully. Everything is fine. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will configure the Active Directory domain services, Active Directory certificate services. We will create users and we will join to the domain. Okay. And also we will tune this Kali Linux machine because we need to upgrade it, update it, and we will try to install few things here, and rest of the things we will do as we go. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the content, please like, subscribe and share. You can join the channel membership and you can join me on the Discord by searching at cybersec radar, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.